Coterminal angles. It is an angle with same terminal arm and same initial arm. For an angle of theta, theta plus 360n or theta plus 2n pi is coterminal angle, where n is an integer. We can have infinite number of coterminal angles. I hope you understand what coterminal angles are, correct? Now let's do a problem to make it absolutely clear. Question 2. Find coterminal angles for theta equals to 150 degrees or minus 5 pi by 6. Both are same things written in different units, degrees and radians. Okay. So let me do theta equals to 150 degrees first for you. So let's consider the coordinate plane and let's sketch this. Theta equals to minus 150 degrees. When it is minus 150, that means from 0. So this is our initial arm. Let me just make things very clear. This is the initial arm and we are trying to find the terminal arm's location. So we'll move along and find minus 150 degrees. Minus 150 means move clockwise. So we'll go clockwise, and 150 is more than 90 but less than 180, so we land up here in quadrant 3. So the terminal arm will be here, correct? And this angle, when we go clockwise, will be referred to as minus 150 degrees, correct? So that is the position of the terminal arm. So when we are saying coterminal angles, it is an angle with same terminal arms and same initial arm. So that is the angle which we are trying to find. So coterminal, you understand? These two arms are same, but we can go either way. So one way to find it is we can go like this and then go one more circle. Do you see that? One more circle. As we add a circle, that means we are adding 360 degrees, correct? And if you go another circle, another 360 degrees. So that gives rise to so many coterminal angles, correct? And all these we are doing in clockwise directions. So we can write some answers now. Like the angles, coterminal angles, let's say coterminal angle will be minus 150 degrees, and then let's keep on adding 360 to it. That means we are going clockwise. So we'll add minus 360, minus 360, right? So the next one will be minus 150 degrees, minus 360 degrees. We can add using calculator. Then we can have minus 150 degrees, minus 2 times 360, that is 720 degrees. And so we get so many. Do you see that? So those are all our coterminal angles. Or what we could do is we could go anti-clockwise. So we can go like this. So that is our, again, a coterminal angles. We are starting with the same initial arm and landing on the terminal arm, right? So that will be how much? Total is 360, out of which 150 is taken off, right? So the first one will be 360 degrees minus 150 degrees, correct? Correct? So that will be this arm, right? So 360 minus 150 will give us 0, 1 and 2, 210 degrees. Now the next could be, we can go one full circle. We can come like this and then go back like this. Do you see that? So the next could be 210 degrees plus 360 degrees, right? So like this we can continue our series, and all those will be coterminal angles for theta equals to minus 150 degrees, correct? So this is how we are going to get all our answers. So let me write down few of them. 150 plus 360, both with minus sign, will give us minus 510. So this is minus 510 degrees. Then again we can do, add 360 to this, 870 degrees, minus 870 degrees, correct? So like that you can get so many angles, and all these are coterminal angles for theta equals to minus 150 degrees, correct? The same thing we'll do for radians. When we say minus 5 pi by 6, right? So that means, let's start with there. So this is our initial arm, right? And this is terminal arm. And when we say minus 5 pi by 6, what are we trying to say? We're trying to say that from here to here, actually this pi is divided into 6 portions, and we have reached 5 pi by 6. Minus 5 pi by 6. Do you see that? We have reached this much, correct? So one way to look into it is, and total in fractions of 6 will be, when we write 2 pi, you see 2 pi is full circle, correct? 2 pi in 6 terms could be written as, there will be 6 here and 6 here, so 12 in all. Do you see that? So we should add 12 pi by 6 each time to get more circles. So if I go one more circle, then this will be minus 5 pi by 6 minus 2 pi, right? So that will be my first coterminal angle if I go clockwise. Do you see that? So let's do this. So 6 times 2 is 12, 12 plus 5, 17. So we get minus 17 pi by 6 as our first coterminal, right? We can further reduce, go to more negative side, minus 2 pi, and get more of those, correct? So there's one way of doing it. The other coterminal angles are looking at it from this side. Do you see this side? Now, so there are 12 in all. We have already covered 5, so 7 left. So this is 7 pi by 6. Do you see that? 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 will also be a coterminal angle. 7 pi by 6, correct? And if you go one more circle, we'll add 2 pi to it. So that means 12 plus 7, 19 pi by 6. And like this, we can add coterminal angles for the same angle, right? So that is how we are going to get coterminal angles for a given angle. Okay, thank you.